So the first thing that I usually do when doing an EMI review is to make sure that the stack up is correct. And this is the first thing, which gives you already 90% of the EMI performance. So why is that? Because the stack up tells me how the fees are contained within the PCB. So what do I mean by that? By that, I mean that the layers always go in pair when we're talking about PCB design. And this means that if I have a layer where I have the signals, then automatically, and this will even without thinking, then I have a return reference plane adjacent to it. So what does it mean adjacent? It means that the return reference plane, which is also called in short RRP, should go either above the signal layer or below the signal layer. But it has to be as close as possible so that it does its job, which, as the name implies, it has to give the path for the return current to flow back to the source, but also it has to give the reference potential for the signal layer. So if we don't have this scenario, then we are most likely going to have problems in terms of EMI, but also in terms of signal integrity. And this is because the electromagnetic fields are then allowed to grow bigger instead of being contained within the stack.